look at my eye and then look at this contact. Like, bam. Bam, it's just covering it up. This color, this, like, I'm already ready to wrap it up. Like, this color, you guys. Don't mind me, my other eye all watering. Like it's jealous or something. Like, girl, who are you? I definitely will be. You won't see me sporting these in some of my reviews. You know that. You keep it on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills up roads. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with something a little bit different. I'm gonna actually give you guys a little try-on video to show you what color contacts would look like if you're somebody of my complexion and with my dark brown eyes. So as you can see, I got them chocolatey brown eyes. And so today I was sent contacts from JUST4KIRA. I was sent 4 different colors that I'm going to be trying on for you guys, and I just want to show you how they're going to look on someone like me. And then we'll go through my final thoughts and see how I actually feel about them. So the colors that I was sent are going to be the Mirage color and the Nanee Brown. So you'll get 2 boxes for each pair of contacts. 1 contact will come in each case. This cute little case. I got the Shimasaki and the color Hanthy Gray. I got the SL29 Green from Mirage. And then I got the SL29 Blue from Mirage as well. Each of the contacts you order is going to come with a case to hold your contacts. It's also going to come with tweezers as well as a contact applicator, which is going to be super helpful for you guys if you are somebody who hasn't tried out contacts. I'm somebody who uses them consistently, so I'm just going to be using my finger girls. And as they do suggest, I did just leave them soaking in my BioTrue solution. They tell you to soak it from between 6 to 8 hours. So yes, I went ahead and did and soaked for 8 hours. So this is the solution that I use. I also definitely do want to note too that I am not wearing these contacts with any sort of strength in them. I selected the 0 strength, so it's specifically just for cosmetic purposes, y'all. Okay guys, so the first one we're going to be trying is from the Mirage color, the Nanee Brown. I don't know how to use these 2 together, but let's see if we can make this work. So I'm picking up the contact with the little tweezer situation, and I'm going to place it on the applicator. Oh, alright, now we're getting somewhere. So now it's on the applicator, and if this doesn't work out for me, I'm gonna just switch to my finger. Yeah, so that bad boy just fell out, so I'm gonna just honestly stick to my fingers because that's gonna be easier for me. Oh, this color is pretty, you guys. So this is, like I said, the Nanee Brown, and as you can see, this eye is the Nanee Brown and this one is my natural eye color. I feel like this is very pretty. It's kind of subtle, but it's also noticeable at the same time. Like, it's not too bright. It's very pretty, you guys. So let's pop the other one in. So what I found works easiest for me when putting contacts in is using one of my hands to hold my actual eye all the way open, putting the contact on my fingertip, and then placing the contact in my eye. I feel like that just makes it a whole lot easier, which is kind of harder for me at least to do with the applicator because I was worried about it falling off and everything. So that's just what works for me. This is very, very pretty. I do like the fact that these contacts feel super thin, very flexible. They're not super thick feeling. They're not uncomfortable in my eye. They feel like they're made of good quality. My eyes don't feel dried out or anything. I feel like definitely letting it soak in the solution for 8 hours definitely helped because I'm not getting any dryness. Oh, alright, you guys. So that was the Nanee Brown, which I feel like is very lovely, already at the top of my list. So let's just keep it going. I think we're gonna do the Shimasaki Gray. So I take the contact out the same way that I put it in. So I just hold my crazy little eye open like this. Use my fingertip, grab it, and bam. So let's just get another look again of my natural eye with the contact comparison. Alright, so now we're moving on to the, what is it? Shimasaki. Now we're moving on to the Shimasaki Hanthy Gray. So let's see what this Hanthy Gray is looking like on my brown eyes, girl. I like this one, you guys. It's like a darker gray, if that makes sense. So it's not like giving me vampire vibes, if that makes sense. Maybe it's coming off a little bit brighter on camera, but just definitely note that this is on the darker side. So I feel like it's a little more subtle with also giving that pop of color. And it does have that dark colored limbo ring. I think I'm saying it right. It has that dark colored limbo ring that goes around. So that definitely helps to break it up and make it look a little bit more natural. So let's pop the other one in and see what we looking like with two eyes, girl. Okay, you guys, so this is the Shimasaki Hanthy Gray in both eyes. How you feeling? How you feel about it? These are still giving a natural vibe without it being like, girl, you wearing contacts, if that makes sense. Like these are very, very pretty, you guys. Let's pop these bad boys out. Give you another showing in comparison of side to side with the Shimasaki Hanthy Gray and my natural brown eye. Okay, JUST4KIRA, I see you, girl. Okay, you guys, so the next one that I'm going to be trying is the Mirage color SL29 Green. And I can see that this one definitely does have a darker limbo ring around it, so I'm digging it. Okay, you guys, so this is the Mirage SL29 Green. This kind of is reminding me of the Hanthy Gray. I do like that darker limbo ring that's around it. It doesn't look too bold, which I like. It looks like maybe it's like more of like a darker or olive green. It's not like that boom in your face Rihanna green. So let's pop the other one in and see what they look like together. And this is what it looks like on my brown eyes. I really like these limbo rings, you guys, more than I thought that I would. So now we have just one more color to try, and I saved the most out of the box one for last, you guys, because you know how they feel about black people with blue eyes. Like, girl, I saved the SL29 Blue for last. So let's just pop these out and then try the last contacts. Give y'all one final look of this SL29 with my chocolatey brown eye comparison.
Alright, y'all, let's get on to the grand finale. So this last one is again from the Mirage color, and it is an SL29 Blue. Girl, I could already see this is gonna be something different. I could see it. This one, y'all may think I look a little bit crazy, but we all know I'm an out of the box type of person, so we gonna see how this goes. I'm excited. And this one also looks like it has a limbo ring. The limbo ring looks like it's more on the grayer side, and the contact itself looks like it's more on the bluer side. Alright, you guys, so this is from the Mirage color in the SL29 Blue. I actually like the blue of this one. I thought it was going to be more intense, but I feel like this reminds me of like the type of blue that you'd see with a denim jean, like a more toned down sort of blue, not like sky blue or an ocean blue. It's a very much darker, more subtle blue, so I actually really do like this color a lot. In person, it's definitely coming off even darker than on camera. I feel like it's very unique. Let's just pop the final one in. Okay, you guys, so this is the Mirage Both Eyes, and it is the color SL29 Blue. So like I was saying, I feel like this is like a darker, more subtle blue. It's not a like bam type of husky, you know what I mean? It's not like that husky dog sort of blue that's just like super prevalent and vampire vibes and scare you away. This is like very toned down. I think it's honestly very, very beautiful. I don't think I've seen this color blue contact before. Like, I really, really like this, you guys. I didn't think I was gonna like, I just wanted to try something different with the blue. I didn't really think I was gonna like it, but I really actually do. So I'm super happy that I was able to try all these colors, and if I had to pick a favorite, I want to say I think it's probably a tie between the Nanee Brown and the Hanthy Gray. I feel like both of them are very beautiful. If you're leaning towards more of a color, if you're my skin tone, something that's going to look more natural, I definitely would suggest leaning more towards the Nanee Brown. But if you're somebody who likes something that's a little bit different, you want a pop of color, but you also don't want to be clockable, and you also don't want to come off like a vampire vibe or anything crazy, then I definitely would suggest the Hanthy Gray. But I would also suggest these other two colors that I picked up as well, the SL29 Green and the SL29 Blue. I feel like all of these colors are definitely going to be brown girl approved because they're not giving me those vampire vibes. They're not coming off super prevalent. They're very toned down. Like, you're definitely going to be able to get away with them. They're nothing too crazy. If you don't want to step too far out of your comfort zone, I definitely would suggest the Nanee Brown. And then if you want just a slight pop of color without it becoming too overwhelming, I definitely would suggest the Hanthy Gray. I feel like they're complementary to the skin tone. They're not like clashing too much. I feel like these are honestly very gorgeous colors, and I'm happy with the colors that I chose. These are definitely ones that I will be recycling and using all of them. I feel like I could see myself wearing all of these, and more than any, probably, like I said, the Nanee Brown as well as the Hanthy Gray. And I definitely will also leave a discount code below just in case you guys are interested in picking up any of these contacts. You can definitely be sure to use that coupon code and get yourself a nice discount, girl. And let me tell you, I will be shopping with them in the future and picking me up some colorful contacts. And these, one of the best things about them as well, as these ones do last a year. I know there are a lot of contacts out there that only last for a 30-day month subscription. I do like the fact that these last for a year and the prices are reasonable. I am super happy that I was able to work with this company, you guys, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you were contemplating picking up some contacts, I hope you were able to see what it would look like on somebody with my skin tone, as far as me being brown girl, and as far as somebody with brown eyes. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other products or units or anything you want me to pick up, you guys. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.